Hi guys, it's Jessie here. I'm back with a Dollar Tree haul. I went into Dollar Tree to get some gift wrapping things, to purchase some household things that we needed, and I went on the hunt for Christmas presents / stocking stuffers. So I found a little bit of everything at my local Dollar Tree. I love my local Dollar Tree, and I thought I would share it with you guys. So to start out, I bought myself a little snack because I'm 5 years old and I can't go anywhere without a snack, right? I got these butter ring cookies by the Little Dutch Maid. These are really good. I like all of the Little Dutch Maid products. Their almond windmill cookies are really good. Lots of great cookie options. I'd never had these before, but they're delicious. And I bought a ginormous Diet Pepsi because if you're going to pay $1 for a Pepsi, it might as well be a ginormous one. In addition to looking for stocking stuffers and gift wrap and things, I was also looking for different things for us to do for Advent activities. We do a different holiday themed activity every day in the month of December leading up to Christmas, so I thought one day we could work as a family and put together a little puzzle. I was looking for more of a Christmas themed one, but this is the closest thing they had, so I think it counts. It's a 500-piece puzzle. It's not going to take us all night to complete or anything, but be a nice little family fun activity. In the way of gifts for my boys, and boys, you better not be watching this video. I will already have warned them ahead of time to skip this one. I'm not going to show all of their Christmas gifts, but I'm going to show these just because they're part of the haul. I bought this book for Austin. I thought that this would be really interesting for him. I'm hoping it will be. They have a ton of really great looking books at Dollar Tree. I had like 4 or 5 of them in my cart, and I had to slow my roll. I'm going to do some research on the different books and see what exactly they're all about, but this one looked like it would be good, so I got this one. It's Man-Made Boy by John Scovron. I don't know, I've never heard of him. But it says, a boy among monsters, a monster among people, a hero above all. So hopefully he'll like that. And then for Robbie, who loves to draw, I got him a little sketch pad. In terms of stocking stuffers, I picked up a couple little games for in their stockings. I don't like to fill their stockings with just candy, which I'm sure is what they would prefer. I like to get a little creative and throw some, personal hygiene stuff, some fun little games and stuff. So in one of their stockings, I will put the dominoes. I've never actually played dominoes, but it can't be that hard, right? These are just little tiny dominoes, so that'll be nice for like a little travel game. And then left, right, center. That's kind of a classic game. I haven't played it in years, but I think that they will like that. It's something we can play together as a family. I also picked up this Say It, Don't Spray It game. This is one of those things where you put the little mouthpiece in and you try to read the cards. I don't know if I'm going to put this in a stocking or if I'm going to use this as an Advent activity. I haven't decided yet, but for $1, I figured, why not? Moving this way, picked up some gum for their stockings because that's always a classic. I needed a little gift card box, so I picked up this one that says Joy, and it just has the little space in there to tuck the gift card. Needed more gift boxes. I was wrapping yesterday and went through all of my gift boxes, so I needed some more. Also, some more tape, necessary. Picked up these handy wipes. I like having these reusable cloths. You use them a few times and then you can just throw them away when they get gross. These ones are by Clorox, so I picked those up. These breath strips are going to go in Robbie's stocking. He's about to be 16. He's very conscious about his breath, so that's going to go in there along with the gum, probably some mints too. Also in Robbie's stocking, I got these acne wipes. He's struggling a little bit with that, so I thought those might help him out. For household items, I picked up paper bags. We need these for my husband's lunches. He's tried to take a lunchbox in the past, and it's just a pain. He leaves it in his truck or he leaves it in the shop, and then he has to take his lunch in a paper bag anyway, so we're going with the paper bags. I also picked up some plastic spoons. I bought a ton of pudding cups when I went grocery shopping, and they're great for in a lunchbox, so picked up the spoons to go with that. I got this ribbon candy. My aunt loves ribbon candy, and she's hosting a little pearl party this evening, so I'm going to give that to her as a little, hostess gift. I got these string lights. I thought that these would be really pretty in my centerpiece for on my dining table, so I got those. And lastly, I got some more gift wrap. You guys, Dollar Tree killed it with a gift wrap this year. I don't even need this gift wrap, but I couldn't walk away from it. Look at how beautiful this is with the superheroes. My kids are both like superhero fanatics, so I couldn't walk away from this. This will make great birthday wrap, or just, you know, even next Christmas, whatever. I don't have a specific use for this, but I couldn't not buy it. And then I picked up another roll of this wrapping paper, because this is what I'm using to wrap my oldest son's gifts in, Robbie's gifts, and I ran out when I was wrapping yesterday. This was the only roll they had left, so hopefully I don't need any more than this. They also didn't have any more of the Harry Potter paper, unfortunately, so hopefully I don't need more of that. That's what I'm wrapping Austin's gifts in. Although somebody told me that they found some like that at Target.